Have you ever dreamed of owning your own business? Yung tipong ikaw ang boss, ikaw ang may control sa oras mo, at ikaw ang gumagawa ng desisyon. But let's be real, starting a business is not easy. Maraming natatakot magsimula dahil sa risk, puhunan, at posibilidad ng failure. Or here's the truth. Every successful business once started as an idea. So in this video, I will share some practical tips on how to start a business, what to prepare, the steps to follow, how to face challenges, and how to stay focused on your end goals. So here's what we will talk about today. First, what are the things you need to prepare before starting a business? Second, the important steps you should follow once you start. Third, how to face challenges that may come along the way. And lastly, the end goals. Kung ano ba talaga ang dapat mong matutunan at ma-achieve sa business journey mo. Things you must prepare before starting a business. Before ka mag-start ng business, preparation is very important. Hindi pwedeng puro excitement lang. First, you need a clear business idea. Tanungin mo ang sarili mo, ano ang ibebenta ko? Sino ang target customers ko? Anong problem ang sinusolve ng business ko? Pangalawa, kailangan mo ng basic knowledge about your product or service. Hindi mo kailangang maging expert agad, pero dapat alam mo kung paano ito gumagana. Pangatlo, dapat handa ka mentally and financially. Hindi palaging successful ang business sa simula. May times na mabagal ang benta, may times na malulugi. Kaya mahalaga ang right mindset, yung handang matuto at mag-adjust. Now that you are prepared, let's talk about the steps. First step, start execution. Hindi sapat ang plano lang. Kahit gaano kaganda ang idea mo, walang mangyayari kung hindi ka kikilos. Start small if needed. Ang importante ay nagsimula ka. Second step, control your business. Kailangan mong bantayan ang expenses, sales, and operations. Alamin kung saan napupunta ang pera at kung ano ang pwedeng i-improve. Third step, time to evaluate. Evaluate your business regularly. Tanungin mo, ano ang gumagana, ano ang hindi, ano ang dapat baguhin. Evaluation helps you grow and make better decisions. Facing challenges. Let's be honest, challenges are part of every business. Walang business na walang problema. You may face financial difficulties, strong competitors, or even self-doubt. Minsan mapapaisip ka kung tama ba ang desisyon mo. But remember this, challenges are not signs to stop. They are signs to improve. Instead of quitting, learn how to solve problems, adapt to changes, and stay strong even during hard times. Learn from others. You don't have to do everything alone. Learning from others can save you time and mistakes. Listen to successful entrepreneurs, read business stories, or ask advice from mentors. Their experiences can guide you on what to do and what to avoid. Even failures, whether yours or others, are valuable lessons. In business, every mistake is a chance to learn and become better. Don't give up on your dreams. Keep fighting in building your dream business. There will be moments when you feel tired, discouraged, or ready to give up. Normal lang yan. But don't forget why you started. Your dream is bigger than your fear. Success doesn't happen overnight. It takes patience, perseverance, and consistency. If you fail today, try again tomorrow. As long as you keep going, you're already one step closer to your dream. So, what are the end goals of starting a business? First, to understand the business concept, how planning, execution, and decision making work together. Second, to develop the ability to solve business problems and face challenges with confidence. And lastly, to achieve your own dreams, whether it's financial freedom, personal growth, or making a positive impact on others. Starting a business is not just about earning money, it's about learning, growing, and believing in yourself. So if you have a dream, start today because the best time to start is now. And that brings us to the end of this video. Starting a business may seem scary at first, Pero tandaan, lahat ng successful entrepreneurs ay nagsimula rin sa zero. With the right preparation, clear steps, and a strong mindset, you can face challenges and turn your dreams into reality. Don't be afraid to try. Don't be afraid to fail. And most importantly, don't stop believing in yourself. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video inspired you to take the first step toward your business journey. Remember, your dream is valid and your future starts with the decision you make today.